everyone, this is Catherine Rain here in Miami Beach, and I'm gonna show you my beautiful listing here. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, 2440 square feet, and we're here in a prime location on North Bay Road. A lot of celebrities live on the street. You're one jump from the water. Basically, the house is here and the water is right here. You have the hospital close by, houses of worship, restaurants and shopping. You're like a 5-minute Uber ride from Lincoln Road, from all the shopping and everything the beach has to offer. The good thing is also North Bay Road is very quiet. So if you don't like traffic, don't settle for Alton Road, because this area here is much prettier. So I'm gonna show you the house now. Beautiful manicured front yard, and you do have room here for a pool if you wanted to add one. All impact windows. Beautiful entry here to the living area. And the kitchen is definitely an entertainer's dream kitchen. Lots of light coming in here. On this side here is a half bath. I'm going to show you that now. So here we have the half bath. The property can be purchased furnished if desired. The furniture is not included in the price, but it can be purchased. Okay, let me show you the first bedroom. And here, the amazing entertainer's kitchen. It flows really nicely to all the living areas and to the dining room. So here's your patio. It's a really nice terrain outdoor area, very low maintenance. You can sit here, barbecue, can put a jacuzzi if you'd like. This home is really great for anyone that wants low maintenance, that wants to get out of a condo and be in a single family home, but doesn't want to take care of a huge yard. So you have the convenience of a condo, but the privacy of a house. So you have the best of both worlds. So let's check out the master. Big closet. This is closet number 1. And we do have a second closet. We have the standalone, and then we have other built-ins here. So lots of closet space. And then look at this amazing bathroom. So you have a steam shower and a beautiful jacuzzi tub. So this is the second bedroom. It's the same size like the master, and it has its own bathroom as well. This one also has two closets, and they're both walk-in. And it has a second one here. The whole house has impact windows. You have a pre-installed alarm system. And as I said, if you're interested in purchasing it furnished, the furniture can be purchased separately. Now it started raining, and you see, even when it's raining, this house is very beautiful, and you have your own little patio. You can build a pool in the front if you want it, and you're not in a building with other people. So wow, I hear some thunder. It's gonna be a thunderstorm maybe later on. But anyway, this is my beautiful listing on Miami Beach. In the middle of everything. You're 5 minutes Uber ride away from restaurants, from the beach. The hospital is right here. You can basically walk, and you're right here on the bay. Like, you can basically hop into the water. So this is a really great listing, and we just adjusted the price, and it's ready for move-in. So if you're interested in this property, just reach out to us, and we'd be happy to schedule a tour with you. You have a beautiful day.